Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the first motovlog on my channel. I have set up the Hero 8 on the helmet. As you can see over here, it is set up. But the challenge is still with the audio. I haven't received the media mod as it is not available on Amazon. But then I did a Desi Jugaad, that is connected my mic inside my helmet and the audio is recorded via my phone. But when I will publish the video, I will merge the audio from my phone and take the GoPro footage from the camera, and let's see how it performs. I hope the audio is performing good right now. I'm running low on fuel. Let's fuel up first and then continue the vlog. No petrol over here. Fine, let's go to the next fuel station. थोड़ा गाड़ी को खींच के देखते हैं, बहुत टाइम हो गया है. My god, this bike scares me when it accelerates like this. Let's not accelerate too much as this is not a freeway. There is too much traffic on this road today. Usually it's not like this. लॉकडाउन खुला नहीं उससे पहले इतने लोग बाहर आ गए जैसे मैं बाहर आया हूँ. Everyone wants to come out. Oh, next fuel station. Again bad luck. यहाँ पे पावर नहीं है. क्या इशू है ये? एक फ्यूल स्टेशन पे पेट्रोल नहीं है, एक फ्यूल स्टेशन पे पावर नहीं है. ठीक है, लेट्स ट्राई द नेक्स्ट वन. यू गाइस टेल मी हाउ द व्यू इज, वेदर आई हैव टू मॉडिफाई द वाइड एंगल लेंस ऑफ दिस GoPro or not, because I don't know how the footage and the audio is performing. Only after I publish the video I'll get to know. Yeah, I got the next fuel station. Full tank कर दो भैया. Yes, the audio is still recording. This is the करीमनगर highway. यहीं पे ORR start होता है. Straight and then take left. From that board, ring road चढ़ सकते हैं ऊपर. I usually take the ring road when I go to airports and all. Sometimes even to my office. Roads have become pretty clean after the lockdown. कुछ तो अच्छा हुआ है lockdown से. I know many people have lost their jobs. People are going in depression because of lockdown. But then the nature has recovered a lot. It's actually good. So where shall I take you guys today? To the straight or to the right? If we go straight, we'll go to Karimnagar. If we go to the right, that will be Ring Road Service Lane. Let's take the Ring Road Service Lane itself, because I don't want to go to Karimnagar Road again. Yesterday I have been to the same road. And one good thing happened yesterday. So when I went to the place, there is a dam in Siddipet Road. So me and one of my friend, we went there and we were clicking a couple of pictures, just having a good time. But soon after we were leaving from that place, we found a group of riders coming there. And they asked me if I do frequent rides and all. I said yes, I do many rides. So they added me to their riding group. They have a nice WhatsApp group named as Biking Brotherhood. So now I have been added to that bikers group. I hope to have some nice Sunday rides with them. रोड तो बहुत खुला है. थोड़ा खींच के देखते हैं गाड़ी को कैसी चल रही है. मैंने तो बहुत बार देखा है, आपको ज़रा दिखा देता हूँ. Unfortunately, when I wanted to pull the bike, I encountered speed breaker and cutting. Just hope that the audio comes out to be great. But this is a temporary solution. Once the Hero mod is there, the motovlogging setup will be complete. Now we have a nice stretch. Let's accelerate now. Yeah! 4th gear. Let's see how much it goes. 125. 5th gear. Crossing 140. The bike is very stable at these speeds and all. As you can see, it is not crossing the speed. So 5th gear does not cross 150 kilometers an hour. Whenever I feel bored, I want to chill out, and I take my bike and come to this service lane. Okay, now let's stop over here. Let me give a quick walk around of my bike. You might have seen the bike review video, but still, just to see how the GoPro is performing, let's do a walk around. So this is my Duke 390 2017 model. It is quite dirty right now. I need to get it washed. So you see these? I installed these horns by myself. These are Denali car horns. Let me show you how it performs. It sounds like a car. So it's very loud. The issue I faced with the stock horn was that it was not loud enough on highway rides. Usually the truck and the car guys, they never used to give me side when I was traveling on higher speeds. But after fitting these horns, that issue is resolved. That's it. Let's roll. I don't think I need to go any further from here. Let's take the next U-turn wherever it is available. As you can see, this bike has been driven for 35,695 kilometers till now. It's only after the lockdown that I couldn't drive it much, but on an average I used to drive around 1500 kilometers a month. This was my daily driver to office and also on weekend commutes, not to forget the long highway rides. We have to be very careful with the speed breakers on the road. Every 2-3 kilometers you'll find one cutting like this and there'll be 2 speed breakers. And if you miss to brake on time, God save you. So yeah, that was a quick motovlog for you guys. A lot of action coming up in future. Once the Hero mod is here, you will see frequent vlogs on my channel. Keep subscribed to my channel. Take care. See you. Bye bye. Yesterday when I went to that Siddipet dam, I took a time-lapse shoot with the bikes lined up over there. So you will see that video now in 3, 2, 1.